Good morning, Olufemi here. This morning I'm going to show you how you can create your own tab in Microsoft Excel. What you do, the first thing you do is to click on this icon and come under More Commands. Under More Commands, you go to Customize the ribbon. Under Customize the ribbon, you click on New Tab. Under the New Tab, you click on the New Tab and you do what? You click on Rename. Under Rename, you put your name there. I'll use Olufemi Olamuyegun. Okay, and you click OK. So another thing you could do is to also exercise the fact that you can have some conditional formatting. And how do you do that? You click on New Group. You click on New Group, and I won't click on New Group. You click on Conditional Formatting, and you add it under the New Group. All these are the normal functions that you use frequently on Excel. You could add format cells. I could decide to add free spans. I could also decide to add macros. And if there are some other popular commands that are not yet, click on the drop down and say command not in the ribbon, and you quickly come down and check. Let me look for my paste as values, space values, space values, space values. Yeah, I have it. Add, and I do what? And I click OK. So immediately I come here, I can see Olufemi Olamuyegun and all I want. So I can just type this number here, 4, and I want to paste this as a value. So Ctrl C, and what? I move the cursor and click on paste as values, and that is it. That's all for today. That is how you can have your own customized name in Microsoft Excel. And this is Microsoft Excel 2019, and I believe you could also try it on your own device. This is one of the tips in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.